Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see the appreciation of the poem The World Is Mine, written by Joy Lovelitt Crawford. Dear friends, you know that in our activity sheet there is section 3, Poetry, and in this section there is question 3b, Poem for Appreciation. This question is asked for 5 marks. आपणा सर्वांना कल्पना आहे की आपल्या इंग्रजी विषयाच्या प्रश्नपत्रिकेमध्ये सेक्शन 3 हा पोएट्री असतो आणि या प्रश्नामध्ये प्रश्न क्रमांक 3b हा पोएम फॉर ॲप्रिसिएशन हा असतो, ज्यामध्ये एक स्वतंत्र कविता ॲप्रिसिएशनसाठी विचारली जाते आणि हा प्रश्न 5 गुणांसाठी विचारला जातो. In this question, we have to appreciate the given poem with the help of the following points. आणि या प्रश्नामध्ये आपणास दिलेल्या कवितेचं ॲप्रिसिएशन खालील मुद्द्यांच्या आधारे करावे लागते. We have to write the title for half marks. कवितेचं शीर्षक लिहिण्यासाठी आपणास अर्धा गुण असतो. We have to write the name of the poet for half mark. कवीचं नाव लिहिण्यासाठी आपणास अर्धा गुण दिला जातो. We have to write the rhyme scheme for 1 mark. दिलेल्या कवितेची राईम स्कीम लिहिण्यासाठी आपणास 1 गुण दिला जातो. We have to write any one figure of speech from the poem for 1 mark. दिलेल्या कवितेमधील कोणतीही एक फिगर ऑफ स्पीच लिहिण्यासाठी आपणास 1 गुण दिला जातो. And we have to write the theme or central idea of the given poem in at least 2 to 3 lines for 2 marks. आणि दिलेल्या कवितेची मध्यवर्ती कल्पना 2 ते 3 ओळीमध्ये आपण लिहिणे अपेक्षित असते. यासाठी आपणास 2 गुण दिले जातात. अशा पद्धतीने हा प्रश्न आपणास एकूण 5 गुणांसाठी विचारला जातो. Now let us see the appreciation of the poem The World Is Mine. 1. Title. The title of this poem is The World Is Mine. 2. Name of the poet. Name of the poet. Here the poetess of this poem is Joy Lovelitt Crawford. 3. Rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of stanza 1 is A A B C C. Rhyme scheme of stanza 2 is A B B C C D D. Rhyme scheme of stanza 3 is A A B B C C. And rhyme scheme of stanza 4 is A A B C C. 4. Figure of speech. There are 2 main figure of speech in this poem: apostrophe and inversion. You will find apostrophe in the line, "O God, forgive me when I whine," because here the poetess addresses God directly. You will find inversion in the line, "Today on a bus I saw a lovely girl with silken hair," because here the word order has been changed. The correct word order should be like, "I saw a lovely girl with silken hair on a bus today." 5. Theme or central idea. The central idea of this poem is that we should be grateful for the things we have instead of complaining about the things we don't have. If we are thankful to God for all the good things we are endowed with, then the world and its joys will be ours. Thank you for watching this video.